Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So it's Sunday today, and for right now I'm going to show you what we're cooking for breakfast. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the videos, and yeah, let me show you what we're making. It already smells good, actually.
Yes, we're doing some fried plantain today with some egg and some salmon on the side with some avocado. That is the breakfast. Later on, we'll have some rice and peas and fish.
It's a lot of cooking for the day.
Some pasta on the side.
Oh, wow, it sounds good. I didn't know there was going to be salmon. So you got the salmon yesterday? Okay. That sounds really good. So yeah, he's already cutting the plantain now. How much did this take? 3?
2.5.
Oh, 2.5 plantain. Fills the whole plate. And I just wanted to show you guys the road on Sunday. It's still pretty busy. And look, we missed the sunrise a little bit, but the water, look how pretty the water looks. Yeah, so usually things on Sunday are a little bit slow here, but everyone's going to start going to church. So they're getting ready.
So this is the salmon, people. This is it.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, so the salmon's just in here now. It's going to cool off. Okay, I'm going to bring the cutting board inside.
Coconut oil going in the pan. People, so we clean up the salmon and now we go fry it and we cook it down with a little spice. You understand? How much you clean up on them, just a little tip.
I actually really like having like fish in the morning, especially like salmon. That's like a nice breakfast.
Finger licking good. Freelance way.
Yeah.
Finger licking good. So we have a freelance breakfast this morning. Yeah. So
oh, okay, it's on now.
We have Chucky die, so we have to carry out him legacy see way, because Chucky and my brother, enough people might not know.
Yeah, I didn't even know
so
until you told me.
Chucky is a good friend of mine. And right now I even investigate him case. So yeah, I feel like somebody lick a Chucky off on bike.
Yeah, he was actually looking into this the other day. We were watching different videos of people that could be involved. And you said you eliminated some suspects, but you don't know for sure who did it so far. But you think it's 0 chance it was an accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Chucky no ride fast. So Chucky ride and he crashed, he ain't supposed to die.
Yeah. And he checked in at the hospital apparently and was okay.
In the hospital and all of that. So for sure, say he is a strong man.
Yeah, that's true.
Inside with it.
Okay.
So yes, Pete, just put a little pinch of salt. A little pinch of salt.
Okay.
So put a little pinch of all-purpose. Rub it in.
Oh, they also make, do they make fish seasoning like how they have chicken seasoning? Oh, next time we can try that too.
All-purpose. Yeah, you know, people, so salmon can eat raw, so we don't have to really kill it and a whole heap of seasoning, you know? This can eat raw, so that's about it.
Okay.
Put nothing else on it to fry.
Oh, last time I think you did a bunch of the tomato basil seasoning too, which was good. This is seasonings going in this. Okay, this round of plantain is ready. A little bit of pimento, thyme, fresh garlic. Second piece going in. And guys, stay tuned till the end because we're going to make something with the watermelon and the pear too. It's going to be really good. Guys, these pans are really healthy. See how they're non-stick pans? Or they, like, things stick to it? That means they didn't put bad chemicals on it. When you get the non-stick pans, it means they put a lot of chemicals. Hold on, let me record. Wait, hold on. Can you make the wood part not touch it? It's gonna make us squinty. Yeah, I thought it did. Looks wild. Alright, so all the vegetables are in there. It's making a bunch of smoke because they were frozen. And then they get hot. Yeah. It's advanced. It's all purpose. Oh, it smells really good. Alright guys, so we just added some ketchup and now a little bit of water. More ketchup going in. Guys, this is a really good ketchup. Eve tomato ketchup. This one tastes really nice. Okay, stirring everything.
That sauce, people.
Sauce.
Super rich.
Yeah, the ketchup makes it thick and nice. Pinch of salt. Okay, salmon's going back in. Do you want to tell them?
Yeah, man, the salmon going in with people. Well nice and crispy. Things are looking good. So now we set things already on the go.
Okay.
And we'll put the sauce on the top of it. Sauce on top of this.
Smart.
Stove too high so that turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, this stove is powerful. Okay, so he's putting the plantain on some bread. It's gonna be like a sandwich. So you get a piece with plantain on the sandwich, and then you also get some regular plantain. Let's see how he's gonna set this up. Slicing the pear now. Looks like a flower. It's pretty. It's so colorful already. It has almost every color, and then with the salmon, it will really have every color. Whoa. Some vegetables. this to the plate now. And some gravy. Look how good this looks. This really has every color. Thank you. Wow, guys, look at this. This looks so amazing. 5 different parts. Sandwich, plantain, salmon, pear, and watermelon. And even the salmon has like 5 parts to it. Guys, look how delicious. This looks so delicious. Sorry, smart. The dogs think it's for her. Look how good, you guys. Alright, we're gonna eat this now. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video, and see you in my next video. Okay.
So yes, my people, if you want these breakfasts, when you come into Portland, you can contact me on 876-445-4792. Okay? Look at it. Come.
Looks so good, literally.
And this is pure healthy food.
Yeah, fully healthy.
The bread is whole wheat.
Mm-hmm.
The plantain is natural coconut oil, and the watermelon, the pear, and the salmon.
Yeah, fully healthy.
That is it.
Okay. Try come in so we can get a thumbnail. Okay. Yeah, here's both the plates together, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna stop filming and try and eat this now before it gets cold. But thanks again for watching.